times are inevitable, but they are transient too. So don't you worry, you will pull this through. We are all cracks from within, and that is where the light shines through. Well, there's already a dark place to live in, and so light bearer is no one but you.
Yeah, come in.
Good morning, ma'am. You have a meeting in next 10 minutes.
Yeah, I'll be there in 2 minutes.
Alright, I've arranged everything for you. Do let me know if you require anything else.
No, thank you, Zain. Hello?
हेलो
हाँ अम्मा एक्चुअली आई एम बिजी राइट नाउ थोड़ी देर में करूँ कॉल
नहीं नहीं अलाइजा, एक मिनट मेरी बात सुनो. तुम हमेशा ऐसे फोन रख देती हो. बाय अ बॉटल ऑफ शैम्पेन ऑन योर वे बैक होम. वी विल सेलिब्रेट. और मैंने तुम्हारे लिए तुम्हारा फेवरेट छोले भटूरे भी बनाए हैं.
छोले भटूरे अरे वाह अम्मा यू आर द बेस्ट बाय द वे व्हाट्स द ओकेजन
यू विल गेट टू नो वंस यू आर होम. चलो अब मैं रख रही, बहुत काम है मुझे. हाँ बाय.
अरे अम्मा अम्मा नॉट फेयर
Daydreaming about someone, huh?
No, nothing. By the way, when can I leave, Jane?
Well, sorry to bust your bubble, but you still have 2 more meetings. So, should I order food for you in office?
No need.
A date. Nice.
No. Actually, yes.
With my parents.
Just a dinner. Oh, yeah. Oh, I almost forgot. Could you please arrange for a champagne? Please.
Of course, boss ma'am.
Thanks. Thanks. I still have 2 more meetings.
Hello? Hi, Sanjna.
Hey, I just got home. I was working on that project I told you about. To submit it tomorrow.
At dinner? What about we catch up for a coffee tomorrow?
I think I'd lunch last. I'm not sure. I miss you. And I'm up for the coffee any day with you.
How many times do I have to tell you, yaar, to take better care of your health? हमेशा ऐसे ही करती है. This is not fair, यार.
I know. I'm sorry, babe. I'll make myself dinner right now, so don't worry about me. And please go enjoy your night with your parents, okay? I'll talk to you later. I promise. Bye. Good night and have lots of fun. Okay, babe? Bye.
Okay, goodbye. Bye.
Hello? How can I help you?
Hello. May I know how are you related to the residents?
Yes, I'm their daughter, Eliza Warrior. I live 15 minutes from here with my friend. But what's the issue?
I am Inspector Karthik Paul. I wish I could say nice to meet you, but I can't. Sorry, Miss Eliza, your parents are no more. They met with an accident. It was clearly a hit and run case. The hospital staff tried to contact you, but they couldn't. I am here to inform you that we will do each and everything to bring the culprit to the justice.
It's been few months since her parents' death. She's still having a hard time moving on and never left her room ever since then. She quit her job because she did not want to see Jane again. She is currently unemployed and living all alone in her parents' house.
Karthik?
Hi Eliza, hope you are doing good.
What do you want?
I thought you could use some company. You can talk to me if you want. I am always there. I am really sorry that we still couldn't punish the one who killed your parents in the accident. It was a very long trail and he got acquitted due to insufficient evidence. I mean, to begin with, we were not even sure about him being the culprit. But based on the circumstantial evidence, we also even tried in the court of law, but unfortunately we failed.
It's pointless. Finding the culprit will not bring them back. No one can bring them back. And I don't want to talk to anyone.
I know it's not easy. You must be in pain. Your housekeeper also told me that you have not been doing good. It's not fair, yaar. I was hoping that I could help you.
I'm fine as I am. You may leave now. Thank you.
Miss Eliza, I am so sorry for your loss. I think now you should move on. I don't know how you were before the accident, but now you are just disturbed and unsettlingly calm, which is very odd. You should talk to someone, if not me. It will help you and I can't leave you like this.
I don't care. I seriously don't care. But if you don't get out of my face right now, I'm gonna hurt you or hurt myself. I don't want to listen to anyone. Please get lost. Please. Hello.
Hey babe, how are you? I have a surprise for you. Let's have a Skype call.
Surprises? I've had it.
I know, Eliza, but for once, just talk to me. Come on, babe. I promise nothing too crazy. Please?
I'm here.
Hey, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear Eliza.
Thank you.
Hey, are you okay? To Eliza. Anyway, I have something to cheer you up. Ta-da! Open your door. There's one waiting for you too.
Take that away. Take that away. What do you think you're doing? What the hell, Sanjana? You really think? Is this your idea of having fun? Like, seriously? Champagne.
I'm sorry, babe. It slipped my mind. Eliza?
I'm sorry, Sanjana. This isn't working anymore. You're not the same person You know better than this, right? You're not the same person I love. Sorry, Sanjana. Bye. What are you doing? तुम्हें पता नहीं है क्या ये कितना डेंजरस हो सकता है?
What do you want? Why do you care? I don't want to live anymore. People always make fun of me. I don't want to be made fun of.
Hey, wait! कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Hey, let him go. वो ऐसा ही है.
What do you mean ऐसा ही है? अभी कुछ ऐसा वैसा कर लेता तो?
I've known him for a while. He's a nice kid, but he's suffering from delusions. He lost his family and he couldn't take it. He made a reality of his own जहाँ पे वो लोग जिंदा है. वो तो मुझे ये तक कहता है कि उसके पेरेंट्स उसे बुला रहे हैं. I've heard Mr. Chakravarti is a nice counselor. इसलिए मैं उसे यहाँ लेके आई हूँ. By the way, I am his cousin, Sangeeta.
Is my love so weak that it shall be forsaken? Completely detached. For granted should I be taken? Dancing with my demons, alone in this darkness. Am I still alive or am I mistaken? I just became lonely. They say it's a big deal. Is it not something that time the Almighty can't heal? If not, then these wise men are lying, for they have ignored all the lone rangers dying.
संजना,